Aero Asset proudly presents this Airbus corporate helicopter's H145D2, serial number 20219. The H145 is based on the popular light twin platform from Airbus that is relied upon by operators of emergency medical services, law enforcement duties, aerial work, offshore operations, as well as passenger transport for private and business aviation the world over. Upgrades include the most modern human-machine interface with the Helionics avionics suite, featuring an advanced dual-duplex 4-axis autopilot that offers high flight stability, a unique flight envelope, automated takeoff, and fully coupled approaches to hover. The incorporation of Airbus's unique fenestron-shrouded tail rotor brings benefits such as improved flight and ground safety to passengers, as well as enhanced anti